Trickies!
After a scenic drive up Maine's coast, we arrived at Mount Desert Campground. Late, as usual. We found our site and got settled in to prepare for our busy day tomorrow. This place deserves its own video, but for now, let's just take in the scenery here. The bathrooms have paid showers, which was the norm in all the campgrounds we visited in Maine. They're also clean, warm, and spacious. Now we wanted to get breakfast and coffee at the Gathering Place, which is the popular restaurant on the campground. But in Maine, everything apparently closes 1 hour before the posted time. So we headed off to explore the rest of Acadia. And our next planned stop happened to be a famous restaurant. And the parking for Jordan Pond House stretched a mile away from the restaurant. So we got some hiking in on our trip to Acadia. We got our buzzer and waited 2 hours for our table to open, which gave us a chance to take in the view here. We even got a table with a great view of the pond and the bubbles. There's a really cool atmosphere at this place, but we came for the food, and it did not disappoint. The standouts for us were the Popovers and blueberry tea. We were surprised the Popovers lived up to and even exceeded the hype. But you can't go wrong with anything on the menu here. With our stomachs full of delicious food, the walk to the truck was actually quite welcomed. Next stop, Cadillac Mountain. Now, the Moods of Overland YouTube channel has a video that perfectly sums up Cadillac Mountain. I highly suggest checking that video out, so there's a link to it in the description if you'd like to know more about Cadillac Mountain. However, I will say our dog decided to go to the bathroom on the summit, and a camera just cannot capture the experience of being here. It is a very cool spot, and if you can, definitely check it out for yourself. We plan to catch the sunset and join the horde of people waiting for it to come. However, clouds came in right at sunset. So we got in the truck and headed down the mountain, and decided to stop by Bar Harbor for some food. We got a little bit of everything from Getty's, graffiti, and Jordan Pond ice cream, and it was a grand slam. We had to get all the food to go, so we turned the truck's tailgate into a dinner table and chowed down. We planned to walk around town after eating, but the weather had other plans. So we made our way to our last campground of this adventure, and were met with a pleasant surprise. The staff at Hadley's Point Campground were waiting for us. This is actually the first time in all of our years of camping that we didn't get to camp after hours. The rain came down pretty good, so we just checked in, set up camp, and called it a night. In the morning, it became clear we found a little gem of a campground. Bathrooms, showers, and laundry facilities were spotless. It was so peaceful here, nice and quiet. After a hot shower and packing up camp, we were ready for the 8-hour drive home. But honestly, maybe I wasn't ready to leave. If you enjoyed our adventures in Maine, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.